Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix email going to spam in Hostinger. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to understand why this problem usually happens. In many cases, it happens because you are sending too many emails from a single account in a short time. Another common reason is using spam triggering words in your subject line, which email providers like Gmail may detect and mark as spam automatically. The first thing you can do is ask the recipient to mark your email as not spam. For example, if someone receives your email in their spam folder, they should open the email and click on report as not spam or not spam. Once enough people do this, email services will start recognizing that your emails are safe and future messages are more likely to appear in the inbox instead of the spam folder. The second method is to avoid using spam keywords in your email subject lines. When you are writing your email, make sure the subject does not contain words that look suspicious or promotional. Words like fast, immediate, urgent, or similar marketing phrases can sometimes trigger spam filters. The third thing you should check is your Hostinger email plan. If you're sending emails to many people, you need to make sure your plan supports that amount of email traffic. Hostinger plans usually have limits on how many emails you can send per day, such as 1,000 emails per day or 3,000 emails per day, depending on the plan you are using. If you exceed the allowed limit, email services may start flagging your messages as spam. So make sure you are using the correct plan for your needs and that you are not exceeding the daily email sending limits. And that's it. So that's basically how you can email going to spam in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.